हेलो स्टूडेंट, गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं मनोज कुमार शर्मा आपके सामने आपका वेलकम करता हूं अवर यूट्यूब चैनल संत कृपाल स्कूल। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू सब्सक्राइब द संत कृपाल स्कूल चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर ऑल नोटिफिकेशन। तो प्यारे बच्चों, मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ, आप सभी और अपने ग्रुप में जो भी आपके साथी हैं उनसे भी कहें संत कृपाल स्कूल के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करें। सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द our YouTube channel Sant Kripal School and press the bell icon for all notification। ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आप ही सब्सक्राइब करें, अगर आपके मित्र, आपके फ्रेंड्स किसी 7th क्लास में तो वो अदर स्कूल के भी हैं तो वो भी सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं और वो भी हमारी वीडियो देख सकते हैं। ऐसे 6th क्लास के भी, 5th क्लास, 7th, 8th जो भी क्लासेस के स्टूडेंट हैं, अदर स्कूल से भी बिलोंग करते हैं, वो भी इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके वीडियो देख सकते हैं। तो सो प्लीज शेयर दिस लिंक आवर चैनल संत कृपाल स्कूल। सो थैंक यू। एंड last video we are discussing the exercise 1.1 and today we are discussing for property of multiplication. So I hope you are solve all question of exercise 1.1 and so I start the property of multiplication today. So first property is closure property of multiplication. Integer are follow the closure property for multiplication. So two integers a and b are follow the closure property. How to, कैसे करेंगे बेटा? तो two integer, any integer a and b are multiplied, so get answer of a integer. When a integer and b integer multiplied, so will we get integer answer. It is called closure property. For example, a के प्लेस पर 2 मल्टीप्लाई b प्लेस 3 इज इक्वल टू 6। 2 भी आपका इंटीजर नंबर है, 3 भी आपका इंटीजर नंबर है, सो 6 इज इंटीजर नंबर गेट। सो क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी आर सेटिस्फाइड फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर इंटीजर्स। नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी। Second property, commutative property. Commutative property, it is satisfied for multiplication because two integers a and b are equal. b multiply a multiply b is equal to b multiply a. It means how to a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. So a multiply b, 2 multiply 3 equal b multiply a is equal to 3 multiply 2. Both conditions are answer equal. So commutative properties are satisfied for multiplication. Third property is associative properties. All our properties are same for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. What only change the sign of between two integers. So third property is for multiplication, associative properties. Associative properties. Associative properties, same property addition property, only difference is sign. A multiply B multiply C is equal to A multiply B multiply C. So example is 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 4. 2 multiply, first of all solve the small bracket value is 3 multiply 4, so is get the 12, and other side solve the small bracket. 2 multiply 3 is 6 multiply 4, so 2 multiply 12 is equal to 24 equals 6 multiply 4 is 24, and proof. So associative properties also satisfy the multiplication for integers. Multiplication for integer. A 2 is placed on A, and 3 is placed on B, and 4 is placed on C. Next property is distributive property. Distribution property. Distribution property. Let A, B and C, there are integer. Let A, B and C are integers. So then A multiply B plus C is equal to A multiply B plus A multiply C. So A is common, both multiplies. For example, 2 multiply 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 multiply 3 plus 2 multiply 4, because A equal 2, B equal 3, C equal 4. So put on the value of ABC in properties. 2 multiply, first of all solve the small bracket. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 is equal to 2 multiply 3 6 plus 7, 2 multiply 4 8, 2 multiply 7 is equal to 14 is equal to 6 plus 8 is 14. Left hand side are equal right hand side, and proof. So distributive property are satisfied of multiplication for integers. A multiply, again repeat of distribution property. A multiply B plus C is equal to A multiply B and B plus A multiply C. So it is distribution property. Fifth property is multiplication identity property. Multiplication identity properties. Let be any integer. Let be any integer is A, then A multiply 1 इक्वल टू 1 मल्टीप्लाई ए। एनी इंटीजर का मल्टीप्लाई 1 से करेंगे या 1 का मल्टीप्लाई एनी इंटीजर से करेंगे, देयर विल वी गेट आंसर सेम इंटीजर, देयर विल वी गेट आंसर सेम इंटीजर। So it is called multiplication identity. Properties are follow of multiplication property for integers. It is called multiplication identity property. 1 का मल्टीप्लाई एनी इंटीजर्स के साथ करने पर सेम इंटीजर्स आपके आंसर में आता है, तो वो कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी होगा? आइडेंटिटी प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन। 6th property is multiplication inverse property. Sixth property is inverse property. Inverse property. Let me any integer a, then a multiply inverse of a is equal to 1 upon a multiply inverse of 1 upon a. There a and 1 upon a is a inverse of a, and 1 upon a is a integer, and a is a inverse of a 1 upon a, are equal to 1 equal 1, because a से a cancel, because cancel by a to a. So inverse property satisfied for multiplication. It is called multiplication inverse properties. So student, we are discuss the exercise 1.2. Follow their property of multiplication. So exercise 1.2, question number first. According to properties of multiplication, fill in the blank and name the used property. आपको fill in the blanks कंप्लीट करना है एंड यूज आपको प्रॉपर्टी का नेम भी बताना है। -14, क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, -14 मल्टीप्लाई 6 इज इक्वल टू multiply -14. So student, -14 multiply by 6 is equal to -14 multiply 6 when was equal? When 6 multiply by -14. It is called commutative property. It is called commutative property. Because a multiply b is equal to b multiply a. It is commutative property. -14 place on a multiply 6 place on b is equal to 6 multiply -14. So you are see it is this question it have the commutative property. Question number second. So remaining question you are solve and try to get answer. Question number second. First, find the product. Find the product. 225 multiply 6 minus 16. 225 multiply minus 16. Is equal to 200 plus 25 multiply minus 16 is equal to 200 multiply minus 16 plus 25 multiply minus 16. Solve this question. Minus plus 0 carry 8 440 minus, so minus 3200 plus minus 5 will be find minus 400 is equal to minus 3600. That is answer. Otherwise you solve to direct. 225 multiply minus 16 is equal to minus 225, because minus is common, multiply 16 is equal to minus 16 5 ja 80 carry 8, 16 2 ja 32 carry 8, 40 carry 4, 16 2 ja 32 plus carry 4 36. That is answer. Second way. First way is property use. Property is associative. Property is distributive. Distributive property. First way solved to by distributive property, and second way is solved to direct. It is answer of question number first, question number second. So you are solved the question number third, fourth and fifth, 6, 7, 8 of exercise 1.2. So student, you are remember to homework is exercise 1.2 for today, and next property of division and exercise of 1.3 solved to next class. So student, you are remember to subscribe our channel Sant Kripal School. So thank you.